Hey guys, I'm here for Unbox Indian, and in this video we will be unboxing and taking a closer look at Xiaomi's 10,000 mAh power bank, Mi Power Bank 2i, and discussing whether you should get it or not, at least in the market of 10,000 mAh power bank, which is pretty crowded right now. So with that being said, let's get started. As usual, we start off with the box content, and the first thing inside this box is the user manual with detailed instruction about this power bank. Then we have this USB cable, which is not too long though. And finally our power bank itself. Let me just remove this sticker first, then we will talk about its build and specs. So in first glance, it looks nothing short of premium due to its outer metallic shell and matte black finish, which looks glue to me, but never mind, because we usually get a plastic body in this price segment. Even it's much slimmer than the most power bank, but slimmer doesn't mean it's lightweight due to its metal shell, but definitely felt quite sturdy in hand. I/O wise, it has everything on top with 2 full-size USB and a micro USB port along with 4 indicator LEDs and a plastic battery level indication button. There is nothing on any other side of this power bank. This thing packs a 37 Wh of lithium polymer battery that has a conversion rate of 90%, I guess. But what that means for you is that you can charge a 3000 mAh phone like this Motorola G5 Plus 2 times while Redmi Note 5 1.6 times, with some juice left in it. So you will get around 6500 mAh of battery to use. The charging time of this power bank depends on the method you choose to charge up this device. With fast charging, it will take less than 4.5 hours to completely charge, though you will need a fast charger. And for more information about this, you can click here. Whereas with regular 5V 2A charger, it will take about 6 hours to completely charge from 0 to 100%. And as I said, this power bank supports fast charging technology, and it's a two-way fast charging, meaning it can not only fast charge this power bank with a 18W fast charger, but it can also fast charge your phone too with a max 15W output. But obviously you need a phone that supports fast charging technology too. And to be frankly say, this is the one of the best feature of this power bank, and for that alone I can recommend it. There are some other small but handy features present too, like low current discharge mode for small devices like Bluetooth headset or smartband, passive charging, overheating and over voltage protection with bunch of other safety features that all make it unresistible deal to me. But there are some downside of this power bank too, like you can only fast charge one phone at a time. If you connect 2 phones, it will automatically switch to regular charging mode, and same goes for the passive charging too. But that is acceptable for this price range, but what not is this micro USB port, because it's 2018 and USB-C is the way to go, but saving it only for the Pro models and charging extra 500 for that alone does not make much sense to me. But still, these things are not going to stop me from recommending this power bank over any other 10,000 mAh power bank in the market right now. So that wraps up this review of this power bank. Hope you guys like it, and if you did, then leave us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.